All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Wei from University of Wisconsin Stout. So I'm presenting for our survey paper, Internet of Things applied on assistive robotics. So we have summarized research results and also new technologies using IoT, which stands for Internet of Things, applied on assistive robotics. So my presentation includes three parts: introduction and some new technologies and the current research results use IoT applied in assistive robotics, and following by conclusion. So for the first part, I would like to give you some background about assistive robotics. So as we know, robotics provide efficient approach in development of assistive devices. And assistive robots contribute to the quality of life for especially elderly people and individuals with disabilities and help them to maintain an independent lifestyle. The new technologies are required for communicating efficiently with robotic assistive services, and we need to consider safety and reliability with the new technology used. Internet of Things, which we will use IoT in the following presentation slides. So IoT combining with assistive technology right now has brought a strong value to robotics application. So the first application is in human-machine communication system. So human-robot interaction, we say HRI. So HRI is the study of behavior between human operators or users and robotic platforms. And new design of HRI communication, we're trying to help elderly and disabled people to perform their essential activities of daily living and improve their quality of life. So some of the new technologies have been used or developed right now include like gesture and precision tracking system based on such as infrared optics and cameras developed as a new HRI interface for assistive robotics. Um, Also, besides of that, we also have used motion controller to monitor the user's hand, fingers, and all accompanied positions and angles, and adaptive behaviors, trying to add it to the controller to continuously monitor the user hand movement patterns and try to estimate some oscillation data readings in the real time. The second part, or the second application, is the design of assistive robotics with haptic interaction and safety motion control. So haptic interaction in assistive robot can help users to operate such as trackball interface and non-linear controller developed to control the robot movement and help calculate the feedback force. So people are trying to use like Arduino microcontroller interfaces with additional sensors, connection, and some other display options to help the disabled people or elderly people. Um, then we are also considering tele operation using in assistive robotics. So tele robotics system supports long-term healthcare management. There are three criteria we need to consider when we design the assistive robots with the tele operation. That includes like security, modularity, and reusability, and also friendly human-robot interface. So we're trying to consider some optimal control method using with along with teleoperation on the assistive robots, and that can provide information about the robot states and environmental conditions for the users. Based on all of this research results and the new technologies currently used for apply IoT-based technologies to support assistive robotics, such as we need to consider like privacy, security, reliability, and if that's a friendly user interface for the users. Other than that, machine learning and intelligent decision making and smart controllers right now are also used in IoT based assistive robots for HRI, human robot interactions, to track and record users' activity detections. And in the future, some smart and personalized HRI communication system is required to be explored further for this type of IoT based assistive robotics. Thank you for listening my presentation. If you have any question, I'm happy to answer that.